More childcare options are coming to the Des Moines Metro this fall, creating new vacancies in a state lacking adequate care. 28% of Iowa's cities are childcare deserts. That's according to a report from the Iowa Child Care Resource and Referral. In Polk County, there are few deserts, but Des Moines faces the most severe shortage of childcare availability in the state, in need of nearly 20,000 more openings. Now, the Child Care Center KinderCare is building 3 new locations in West Des Moines, Grimes, and Waukee, adding 140 openings. Local 5's Lakin McGee joins us in studio. And Lakin, these numbers are a fraction of the tens of thousands of slots needed for parents in the metro.
Yeah, Stephanie, they sure are, but accessibility, that is one of the 3 main concerns when it comes to childcare. The other 2 being affordability and quality. During the pandemic, workforce shortage became the 4th concern to hit the industry. But as I explained, childcare is rebuilding.
I've been in the business for over 20 years.
Tracy Evanson is the director of the new KinderCare Learning Center in West Des Moines.
We have 8 in the metro, and we will have 10 at the end of fall.
She has had similar conversations with different parents about first-time daycare goers wearing masks.
They were talking about how, the kids are going to be scared of people wearing masks, and I said, but they don't know anything else.
Over at the Hoover Building in Des Moines,
the pandemic really exacerbated the issue.
Ryan Page works for the Department of Human Services. She says new facilities opening like KinderCare are great, but there's still a worker shortage.
Peak closures or mid-2020 were 65% of our licensed child care centers were closed. We are down now to about 2%.
For the last year and a half, DHS has provided stipends to child care providers to help them stay open.
So we have infused around $90 million of stipends to our existing child care facilities.
Now, parents, what if you've lost your job and can't afford child care? Page says they offer a child care assistance program. Parents that are job seeking can get up to 3 months of child care assistance funding.
Child care is costing about the same as 4-year education at a public university.
Now, families in Iowa are spending an average of 13% of their income on child care. According to DHS, that's far above being affordable, which they consider to be 7% of income. They also say a single parent is spending, and this is a huge number, upwards of 40% of their income on child care. So DHS is aiming to use federal stimulus funding to support families further. Live in the studio, I'm Lakin McGee, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.
Wow, some staggering numbers there. All right, Lakin, thank you. Iowa lawmakers and Governor Kim Reynolds gave Iowa families struggling with child care more help earlier this year. A new law eliminated the child care cliff and instead gradually phases families off assistance from the state once they start earning a certain amount. The law also gives more families the chance to get child care tax credits, doubling eligibility from families making $45,000 a year to $90,000 a year.